Okay, boom, back again with this quick update because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know that they're my peeps, my days of telling the war go on for not to go on, you see me, so let's just kick it off with Tanso. It's not a good look for the artist, my people. They look like, say, Aidonia don't want nothing to deal with him. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, right now, my link here tell me it has several reasons, and the first one is one girl is leaking out tons of nastiness all over the place. I don't know what I'm to the girl. I don't know what's going on, but yo, she is releasing some some videos, you know what I mean, with him a munch pan, the kitty cat like French fries and all of these good stuff. You see what I said? So you already know the type of man Jamaican man is. Them not in certain things, and you know the type of dudes Aidonia and Popcorn is. You know what I mean? Them don't want nobody around them and do no type of shaky activities. You see what I say? And just like Popcorn, they deal with him brother wickedly and, you know, did exile him out of the group for some times. You see what I say? Which I think they're cool. No. But you already know the thing go, these type of things is embarrassing. So that's why you don't want Tanso around the crew no more. Nowhere. Just what I say. And on top of that, big yard man, them might look for him. Yeah, the man, them might look for him because it look like, say, it must have teeth, them shoes and all of these things. So this is the next part. Why Aidonia don't want him around him. Because you know, say, Aidonia roll with some powerful man. And you know, say, Aidonia some top of the top man. You see what I say? And them can't afford, you know, anything to happen to film camp. So this sender is not saying that Aidonia, you know, put the man, you know, figure look for him things. Because they're not saying that a film knockers, you know. They're just saying that you don't want nothing to do with Tanso because, you know, the nastiness business and the make man page him, you know, tell him to take off the 4th channel off him page and all of this stuff. So, me see picture of them still, you know, on him page per se. But, yeah, it's not going to end well for Tanso, according to the sender, because the bad man them after him. You see me saying, you're not protecting him. You know what I mean? And me couldn't believe say Tanso and all them things because me think say artist business my deal with, but like I said, me not really do bad man business, you know, only when them trending and right now the sender said the place hot. You know what I mean? Because the man screenshot, you know, with him long out tongue and all of them nastiness. You see me, people? So, if anything further on Tanso may get me update on upon that part, you see me? Now, the other day, I've been doing some reviews on Dancehall Artist Squash, because, you know, his court business is being updated by all, you know, media outlets, like myself. But it seems like him big thinking, Punny mama not like it. And the girl is all up in a medium, so I want to know if Squash going broke. We're going to get to that part after we deal with that thinking mouth woman, cause me don't know why she always in my DM invite me to her son body part. Your son not there around be a man in a prison who can do that. Releasing for him and me not calling your son Teletubby or no pocketbook thief or no idiot and all of them things that you see me. So I have a theory, you know, my people, because we see a special agent, special FBI agent, Andrew Nelson hasn't used any new evidence the feds use taxpayer money to, you know, get on these criminals like Squash and Chronicler. They're only working with the state evidence. So what are they doing with all of this evidence that they gathered over the years? Well, they're going to hit everybody with a RICO, and just like all the pooper get locked up, the mama are going to get locked up too. That me I'm telling you, but we're going to get to that part in the near future. This is my saying, now let's get to the part of Squash being, you know, if him not have no money or not, because I don't understand why would he want to represent himself when he's fighting deportation. You see, man said himself a word of violating his rights and it's not trying to let him go early or even let him go when his time is finished. You see, man says, so you don't have time to waste. Tell that you know, after time for, you know, he can't afford no mistakes and he's representing himself in this civil suit and lost. Him have a real file again to get dismissed because him never sending one $5 fair filing fee. People say all of the document in front of you, because a $5 filing fee and some deadline, he miss it. No, if man paid a lawyer would I deal with that? You see, man, say, so it's Squash grown broke. If I was Squash in Squash petition, they have me in prison. They want to deport me illegally because I didn't even see an immigration judge yet. I'm not doing none of them things about my blood clots. You see, man, I said, big thinking, punny shelling. Anyway, people, we're not going long and this no longer, you know, I'm just giving a quick update while I go on for that to go on. So do the right thing and follow the king. And check out these next suggested videos on the screen in the meantime. Bless.